Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your SHEIN location in the application. So let's start by opening the application. Make sure that you're logged in. So once you're here, go ahead and tap on the Me tab at the bottom right, and then tap on the setting icon at the top right corner. So from here, you just have to click on this location right here since we're going to be changing it. So let's say, for example, we're going to be changing it to Albania, but you can also just search your current location that you have. So what you're gonna do is just tap on this continue, and then you will be redirected to this. So what you're gonna do is to re-log in to your account so that the current location will be changed from your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!